Hey guys, today I want to show you how to use jump to functionality in a video editor. It's very simple. Uh, Basically, all you just need to understand is that if you have a video where you want the user to navigate to a different part of video, you can have multiple reasons for it. Either you can simulate some sort of try again option. So, for example, if the playable goes to the end, and you want to add the try again option, put it to the end of the and somewhere before the end of the playable, and user can basically replay the same thing. So just for the demonstration, let me add a break somewhere in 3 seconds. Sorry, 3 seconds, and let us do it very visual so it's absolutely clear that it's going back. So let's add a button there, give it a text, try again. And all I would do with this text is I would change the resume video to jump to, and basically I would change the time again to, let's say, to the beginning. So in this case it's 0. um, let's do some scale animation as well, just to have the button nice and clear. Now what this would do is, if I now play the playable, of course this is just a video because I didn't add any overlays. Now I'm prompted to try again. I click again and I'm again in the beginning. So this is how we can easily utilize it to jump back to certain time. But you can also jump forward. So for example, if you would like to create some sort of forking mechanism, so for example some winning screen, losing, or just some sort of other parts of the video, you can utilize this to even to jump forward. So let's say that I would add this as a to 5 seconds, and it would be like take me to finish, and in the finish line, and let me add end screen uh, at 550 with button download game, open store URL. That's correct. And again, if I now go here and I will utilize the jump to 5 seconds, take me to finish, I'm there. So I skipped part of the video, which for some reason it didn't want to use it to be able to see if he chose that option. Now I'm in the download and I can use it. By this case, you can really think about, again, just to summarize it, two mechanisms. Either replay the same thing, so some sort of mechanism will try again or one more time and stuff like that, or really create some sort of forking. So if you stitch together a video with two different ends, you can simply navigate user to a different ending with this kind of mechanics. Hope everything is clear, and looking forward for you to use this overlay. Ciao, ciao.